Hello everyone, today we will explain game development overview.
First one is game development methodologies. Game development methodologies refers to the processes and approaches game developers use to create video games. There are several methodologies with some of the proponent ones being. First one is waterfall model. The waterfall model is a traditional linear and sequential approach that requires each phase to be completed before the next offering a clear structure. Ano nga ba ibig sabihin nun? Ang waterfall model daw ay madalas na tinutukoy bilang ang waterfall methodology ay isang traditional at linear diskarte sa pagbuo ng software at pamamahala ng proyekto. Ito ay unang pinakilala ni Dr. Winston Royce sa isang papel na nilathala noong 1970 at mula noon ay ginamit bilang isang pundasyong modelo para sa pag-aayos at pagpapatupad ng iba't ibang uri ng mga proyekto, partikular na dito sa larangan ng software development.
Second one is agile development. Agile development is an iterative incremental approach that focuses on small functional increments, fostering flexibility, collaboration, and quick adaptation to changes. So ano nga ba ang agile development? Agile development, often simply referred to as agile, is a modern and flexible approach to software development and project management. It is characterized by its iterative and collaboration nature. Yung sabi ko na point. So, here are the key principles and practices of agile development. Number 1 is iterative development. Number 2 is customer collaboration. Number 3, continuous feedback. 4, cross-functional teams. 5, adaptive planning. 6, working software. 7, embracing change. And number 8, self-organizing teams.
The third one is Scrum. Is an agile methodology that breaks down development into small sprints, promoting collaboration, accountability, and iterative progress. So, para mas maunawaan yung kalogan nito is, Scrum is a management framework that teams use to self-organize and works towards a common goal. It describes a set of meeting tools and roles for efficient project delivery. Much like sports team practicing for a big match, Scrum practices allow teams to self-manage, learn from experience, and adapt to change.
Number 4, Kanban. Kanban is an agile methodology that emphasizes continuous task flow and efficiency by visualizing workflow and limiting work in progress. So Kanban is a framework that falls under the agile methodology. It was developed in the late 1940s by a Japanese engineer named Taiichi Ohno. Agile Kanban framework focuses on visualizing the entire project on boards in order to increase project transparency and collaboration between team members.
XP is an agile methodology also known as extreme programming that promotes collaboration, continuous feedback, and quick iterations among developers and stakeholders, focusing on technical excellence. So ano nga bang tinutukoy niyan? Ang extreme programming or XP ay isang maliksi na software development framework na naglalayong makagawa ng mas mataas na kalidad na software at mas mataas na kalidad na buhay para sa development team. Ang extreme programming ay ang pinaka-espesipiko sa maliksi na mga balangkas tungkol sa angkop na mga kasanayan sa engineering para sa pagbuo ng software.
Number 6, lean game development. So this is a methodology that focuses on minimizing waste, enhancing efficiency, and delivering value to players by minimizing unnecessary processes. So what is the lean methodology in game development? Isang key principle of lean methodology is yung lean startup. So ito yung nag-focus on creating a minimum viable product, or MVP, which is the core set of features that are essential for player enjoyment. By focusing on the MVP, you can ensure that the core gameplay experience is enjoyable and engaging before expanding on the other features.
Number 7. Rapid prototype. What is a rapid prototype? It's a method used in early development stage to quickly create a basic game version to test idea and concepts. The other explanation about that is rapid application development, or RAD methodology, is a flexible way to create a deploy software application quickly. So, mas madali daw. The RAD method is effectively designed to adapt to change in new inputs like features, functions, updates, etc.
Number 8, iterative development. So this is a cyclic approach that involves repeating the development process, refining the game based on feedback and testing, promoting continuous improvement. So iterative development is a way of breaking down the software development lifecycle, or SDLC, of a large application into smaller chunks. It is typically used in conjunction and incremental development, in which a longer SDLC is split into smaller segments that build upon each other.
Different game development teams and projects may adopt a combination of these methodologies or tailor them according to their specific needs and preferences. Each methodology has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of methodology often depends on the nature of the game being developed and the preferences of the development team. The evolution of game development.
Game development has significantly evolved over the years, driven by advancement in technology, changing players' preferences, and the growth of the gaming industry. Here's a brief overview of the evolution of game development. The early video games developed on mainframe computers between 1950s and 1970s were simple text-based programs with games like Space War and Pong laying the foundation of the gaming industry. Wait lang.
Hello, gagi. Yan, sobrang kauna-unahang game yan.
So this is the Space War, the game that was developed in between 1950s and 1970s. Ito pa yun. Ano to? Space War.
Space War.
So yan pa yun. Sobrang luma. Ito po yung isa.
Yan yung evolution. First game na develop na. Kung nalaro niyo yan, mag-asawa na kayo.
Pwede rin po.
Pwede na.
Pwede rin. Asawa, matanda ka na dun eh.
1970.
Buhok mo, puti na.
The next one is arcade era. In 1970s and 1980s, the rise of arcades led to development of iconic games such as Pac-Man, 1980, and Donkey Kong, 1981. These games were characterized by 2D graphics and simple gameplay mechanics.
So, ito po yung Pac-Man game noon. Maalala nyo siguro yan sa mobile game yan. Or sa
Sa mobile game meron.
Oh. Yung yung Google Play games, may pwede mong laruin to na offline. And then yung isa yung Donkey Kong. Ayan po. Ayan, ito yun. Sa Game Boy pa yung iba dito eh. Ayan po yung Donkey Kong. Number 3, home console and PC gaming, 1980s to 1990s. The introduction of home gaming consoles like the Atari 2600 and personal computers like the Commodore 64 enabled game developers to create more complex games. So, ito po yung mga example of games na pwedeng laruin using the Atari 2600 console.
Kung mapapansin nyo guys, nag-upgrade yung yung game natin sa paglipas ng panahon.
Dati pixelated lang.
Pixelated lang.
Ngayon, sobrang parang real life na.
Yes,
Yes,
definitely.
and yung isa naman, ito naman po yung sa Commodore 64 games. So, medyo ano pa rin po, nag-improve ng onti pero pixelated pa rin.
Kasi hindi ba siya advanced technology that time.
That time. Pero noon, ganda na. Parang enjoy na laruin na.
Nagawa na ng games.
Parang HD na kumbaga. Ang dami pala.
Kasi,
Ito yung Commodore 6. Ito yung, si Mini. Ito yung Commodore. Yan.
sa number 4 natin is transition to 3D, which is way back 1990s. The advent of 3D graphics technology revolutionized game development. Games like Super Mario 64, so nalaro nyo na guys naman yun, alam nyo na Super Mario. In 1996, and Tomb Raider in way back 1996 showcased the potential of 3D worlds, providing players with immersive experience. So, may example pa tayo dyan.
Meron din sa ano yan. Sa PSP siguro. Yan yun. Medyo 3D na pero ano pa rin, potato pa rin. Hindi pa HD pero okay na yun doon. Tsaka yung isang Tomb Raider. Ayan yun. Ayun. Ano pa lang, parang Counter-Strike nga na
Medyo
ano ba, yung kamay mo square. Yung mga fingers pala square.
Ganyan pa lang pala, pixelated pa.
Ayan o. And medyo HD pa yan pero mas ano noon, mas parang hindi klaro. Parang ganyan o. Ayan, type. Rise of mobile and casual games. Between the year 2000 and 2010, the proliferation of smartphones and app stores led to the popularity of mobile games. Games like Angry Birds 2009 and Flappy Bird 2013 became massive hits, emphasizing simple gameplay tailored for touchscreens. Yan yun.
Siguro nalaro nyo na yan.
Nalaro nyo
Sobrang
na yan,
famous na na laro natin.
Lalo na yung Flappy Bird.
Yeah,
Mas lalo yung Flappy Bird.
Di ba binan na yun, no?
Hindi sabihin na.
Tinanggal lang. Binura ng developer.
Pero to nun, sobrang famous. Ang simple lang daw ng code ng game na to. Pero,
Sumikat.
sumikat. Kasi pinot-pinot mo lang yung screen hanggang
Para
wala tayong ending to eh.
Makasurvive lang yun, no? Yung ibon.
Number 6.
So, sa number 6 naman natin sa NG Game Renaissance. Tama? Way back 2000s present. The NG Game
Indie game.
Renaissance, way back 90s present, saw the rise of innovative and artistic game like Braid in way back 2008 and Undertale way back 2015 due to digital distribution platforms and indie-friendly console.
Yan bang Braid? Hindi ko kilala, hindi ko alam ito eh. Familiar to sa'yo?
Hindi ko familiar dyan guys, pero papakita na namin yung
Hindi yan familiar sa akin eh. Pero ang familiar sa akin yung Undertale. Familiar, yes. So yung maganda pa yung soundtrack na ito. Yung, pwede sana ba parinig natin? Ayan ang Undertale. Ba't andyan yung si Abato ka? Ayan yung Undertale.
Explanation. Ano yan?
Ito mga boss. Virtual reality. Yan na yun. Bagong-bago na to. So, this is 2010 and present. Advancements in VR technology have revolutionized gaming with immersive experiences as seen in games like Beat Saber 2018 and Half-Life Alyx 2020. So, pakita muna natin yung Beat Saber. Maganda rin naman kasi yung Beat Saber. Pero ano lang yun eh, puro kanta lang yun eh. So, ano lang to hindi, copyright lang. Ito yung Beat Saber. Basically, i-match mo sa tono nung kanta. Nakita mo na ba ito? Nakakita ka na ng ganito.
Yes. Ano ba tingnan?
And may isa pang laro.
Di ba return natin yung may sinusuot ka na, no?
Oo, yung
Anong tawag
VR
yun?
goggles yan or VR
goggles.
headset.
Yes.
Okay, Half-Life Alyx. Napanood ko naman ang gameplay nito pero hindi siya naging popular na masyado. Yan naman yan. Ayun yung from Jacksepticeye na pinapanood ko. Basically parang open world siya pero parang semi-open world lang. I-explore mo yung Half-Life world. May isa pa ang papakitang game which is yung Gore. VR.
Kung mapapansin nyo guys, no, grabe yung ano, no, pagbabago.
Yes.
Paglipas ng panahon.
Oo.
Mas lalo na.
Yan yung another game na natatawa ako palagi.
Ay.
Kasi, wait lang. Ba't kasi walang, ano siya, wala siyang audio. Kaya pala nakamute. Ano tayo?
May kamera yan.
Have you ever wondered what it would be like to fight as a gladiator inside a great coliseum with thousands of fans chanting your name? Well, nunchucks, hammers, spears, axes, and even our blood-soaked hands to dismember our opponents. If you'd like to see more VR face smashing, let us know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying the carnage currently on screen,
Sasama rin na tayo guys.
Parang mabusa?
Balayan na dalawa.
In summary, game development has come a long way
from its
humble beginnings.
So, mapapansin nyo yung una, no? May pixelated pa lang siya.
Oo.
Diba, 1950,
1970 na.
1970 era.
Tapos ngayon, 3D na, parang real life na.
Embracing technological advancement and creative innovations. Habang lumilipas yung panahon, yung
habang lumilipas
technological natin,
yes,
naging advanced na. Yung dating pixelated, nagiging parang reality
mas
na.
minamahal natin yung mga laro ngayon. Pero may iba pa rin tao na minamahal pa rin yung mga lumang games.
Yes.
Katulad ko rin kasi
yung dating
mga lumang games. Kahit
kasi,
pangit yung graphics.
Ano yun kumbaga,
childhood memories.
Ano yun, treasure na yun.
Oo, treasure.
Yeah.
Ako may PSP pa ako na luma. Meron na kailan.
Kasi, dito.
Diba?
So, yun nga.
Yun. So, the industry continues to evolve with emerging technologies promising even more immersive and interactive gaming experiences in the future.
So, marami pa tayong dadaan in the future.
Marami pang
pagbabago.
Advanced
Kumbaga ngayon,
technologies.
ma-advance na tayo para sa iba, mga 10 years from now,
mas advanced na naman. 50 years from now, sobrang advanced na.
So, yun yung evolution ng games guys. Kung mapapansin nyo from the beginning and
hanggang present. Baka may ma-develop pa yung cloud gaming.
Yes, exactly.
Exactly, yes. The game development teams and their roles. So, in game development, there are various teams, each with specific roles and responsibilities. Here is a general overview. First is game design team. They create the game concept, gameplay mechanics, and levels, and overall player experience. So, dyan po yung mangyayari kung ano yung maibibigay nung larong yun sa isang player. Ayun po, overall player experience. Para para ma-enjoy nila yung laro, parang GTA, andun po yung open world, pwede ka mag-drive, pwede ka mag-mission, magtrabaho, pwede rin. So, andun yung game design. O yan yung game concept or gameplay mechanics. So, number 2.
So, development team. Ito yung mga team, samahan. This includes programmers and engineers who write the code, bringing the game design to life in the form of playable software. So yung mga programmers natin, engineers, nagkuhan silang tutulong-tulong para gumawa ng program problem, is code nila yun guys. So
para makagawa ng laro. Yan yung puyatan.
Bringing the game design to life in the form of playable software.
Para malaro natin. Parang yun, GTA 5, kinode lang yun.
from numbers and letters.
Sila yung guys, backbone ng game.
Yes.
Hindi sila makakabuo ng laro kung walang programmers and
Yes.
engineers.
And hindi rin sila makakabuo hindi rin makakabuo ang development team kung wala rin yung game design na team.
Yeah, tama.
Yes.
Tulong-tulong.
Art team. Artists and animation works on visual elements like characters, environments, animations, and special effects. Diyan na po yung kumbaga sa ano ba? Yung mga itsura ng mga characters. Yung mga kunyari mga babae. Or mga lalaki na characters, yung mga damit nila, ganun. And then yung mga, kung attacks nila physical or mage, yung mga effects na yun. Yung powers nila like fire, ganun. And then po yung mga special effects or visual elements of the characters.
Yes, tama.
Yes. Next naman.
Yeah, ba?
Naulit.
Yeah.
Okay, number 5.
Quality assurance or QA team. Testers play the game intensively to identify bugs, glitches, and areas of improvement. Like yung game na yung parang i-release nila na parang matest na
Beta.
Beta, like yun,
Yes.
beta.
Para sa lang yung mga
Para
piniling parang sponsor ba?
Para makita nila kung ma-identify nila yung bugs, yung mga glitches. Kasi sa mga game, di mawawala yung bugs, glitches. Kaya every game, ina-update nila yan.
Yes, kaya pinapalaro nila sa mga player.
Kung ano yung mga na-identify ng mga player, yun, may
sabihin nila.
i-report nila yun, then yun, ipipix ng
Yes, tama.
mga developers.
Para ma-improve yung
Mas ma-improve yung laro.
Yes.
Tama.
Number 6 is production team. They manage the workflow, schedules, and the resources, ensuring the project stays on track and within budget. So, dito na papasok yung kunyari, ang budget nyo is 100,000. Tapos, i-manage nyo yun hanggang sa matapos nyo yung laro. So, dyan na yung manage workflow, schedules, and resources na mga gamit ng mga programmers and artists. And ensuring the project stays on track and within budget. So, dyan na yung para hindi kayo mabankrupt. Para within budget. Okay, number 7.
Sa number 7 natin, marketing and PR team. Responsible for promoting the game. Kumbaga, mas pinapakilala nila yung laro para pinapromote
para maraming mag-download ng laro.
Mahiyak hikayat na makuha yung loob ng mga tao na laruin yung game na ginawa nila.
Yes.
And that's baka yung iba nag-add pa sila sa YouTube para mapansin ng mga nanonood.
Yes.
Para siyempre gagawa sila ng napakagandang tawag doon? Yung
Advertisement, yung videos,
video para
mainggan yung mga
manonood.
manonood.
Mga manonood na i-download yung game na ginawa nila.
So, yun din yung
nila.
managing public relations efforts. So, kumbaga dyan yung papasok yung mga sponsors. Yan sila yung mga mag-transact sa kanila. So, game analytics team utilizes player data to analyze player behavior, helping the development team make the data-driven decisions to improve the game. So, dyan na papasok yung kunyari, may isang hacker sa isang laro, so may magre-report yan. Dyan na yung papasok yung mga game analytics team. Dyan, i-analyze nila yung mga player behavior kung SR gamit, buwabay lang sa pader na ang layo-layo pero namamatay ka. Isang one of examples na for mga hackers. So dyan na mabasok yung mga game analytics team to help the game ma-improve, hacker-free. Yun lang.
Localization team. Translate the game content into different language, adapting it to various regions and cultures. Like, nilalaman ng laro sa iba't ibang wika at na inaangkop ito para sa iba't ibang region at kultura. Kumbaga sa game natin guys, meron tayong server na
yun din.
na Asia,
America, Europe.
So guys, kung pumasok ka dun sa Asia, yun ko say, andun na yung may mga doon, Pilipino, mga Japanese.
Yes. Pag Asia, may
Pag-Asia,
Filipino,
ano,
Japanese,
Japanese,
Chinese, Korean, basta
Mm.
sa nakaloob sa Asia.
Basta kung ano yung region nung
Asia.
region na nung mga player. Like ganun.
Si country ka ba?
Doon sila papasok.
Diyan din papasok yung mga language nung mga characters na yung mga sinasabi like sa Genshin Impact may Japanese, Chinese na salita, then may Korean pa, then ano pa ba isa? Yun na yung English. So may 4 different languages yung isang game. Yan yung mga isang example. Sa ML naman may mga marami diyan sa ML eh. May Japanese, may Chinese, may Indonesian pa diyan. May Tagalog pa. Wala meron.
Hindi, lock na yun.
Oo.
Magkakasama na yun. Pero yung mga pag yung sa server naman nukan, iba na naman yun. Ibang mga player na yun.
Ibang players na rin yung mga
Sa Pilipinas lang. Kung gumamit ka ng VPN, makakapasok ka sa
kunyari gusto mong makilaro sa mga American people, di mag-VPN ka.
Pero yung conflict no kanyang signal na.
Mahina yung net nyo. Depende pa rin sa kung gaano kalakas yung internet.
Yes.
So, support team provides customer support addressing player queries, issues, and feedback. So, dyan papasok yung kunyari may reklamo ka, like sa may hacking nga. So, papasok mo na dyan yung problem mo, feedback mo or issue mo or queries mo kung sa laro. Kunyari may hacker na nag-SR na lang dyan na namatay ka bigla na kakastart ko pala ng laro. Hindi pa gumagalaw, patay ka na agad. So, dyan ka pupunta muna para addressing player queries. So, i-address ka nila, kausapin ka nila. And then, yes, ganun kan. So, ipupunta niya yung support team, ipupunta niya yung dun sa may analytics team para i-analyze nila yung mga game behaviors and tanggalin nila yung hacker, kumbaga. So, 11.
Management team, executives and managers oversee the entire development process, making strategic decision and ensuring the project aligns with the company goals. Like yung mga employee nila guys, kung mga may pinapagawang project or project
Ano ba? Executive and managers oversee the entire development process, making strategic decisions and ensuring the project aligns with the company's goals. So, kunyari gumagawa ka ng game na hindi ka pwedeng magdagdag agad ng tawag nito ng isang feature doon na hindi mo sinasabi sa mga yan management team. Kailangan mo sabihin mo na sa kanila, then yan na making strategic decisions and ensuring the project aligns company's goals. Kunyari ang goal ng company mo is to enjoy. Kung yung in-add mo na feature sa isang laro hindi ma-enjoy ng player, di sabihin ng management team hindi. No. Pero pag
valid yun.
Valid. Pero pag sinabi niya maganda yung
kung ano yung layunin ng kumpanya niyo, kung ano yung pinaka-point na goals ganun. Yun yung gagawin mo.
Yes. Pero kung gusto mo mag-add, pwede rin, pero kailangan mo may permission sa management team. So, kung go, pwede yung idea mo. Para ma-ensure yung project ma-align sa company na yung goal ng company. Okay, so specific goal.
Sa ending naman natin guys is specific roles and team structures can vary depending on the size and scope of the game development studio.
So, kung maliit lang yung team nyo, so kaya rin naman siguro, pero matagal yung production kasi konti lang kayo konti lang yung nagko-code, o konti rin siguro yung budget, konti rin yung artist, yung mag-i-invento ng character, gano'n. Yan. So, compilation and classification of game engines. So, una Unity. Unity is a cross-platform game engine developed by Unity Technologies. First announced and released in June 2005 at Apple Worldwide Developers Conference as a Mac OS X game engine. So, ang Unity is a 2D and 3D engine and framework that gives you a system for designing game or app scenes for 2D, 2.5D, and 3D game. So, ito po yung mga example ng
Inside
ng Unity.
Unity game.
Unity engine, yes. Nakikita nyo naman maganda. Marami pang example pero yan lang yung
Napili namin. Na mas,
saka ito, Genshin Impact.
Unity din yan.
Yes, Unity rin. Kahit i-search mo pa yan sa Google. Diba, ang ganda. May,
mas realistic, no?
Sakto rin. Hindi masyadong realistic.
Depende lang sa ano.
Cartoonish siya.
Ay, iba pala yung realistic sa...
Yung realistic yun, parang mukha na natin. Okay, so Unreal Engine 4.
Unreal Engine, also known as UE, is a video game development tool from the video game and software development company Epic Games. With this tool, developers have the ability to build a simulation, edit video or sound, and render animations.
So, ang type ng ang Unreal Engine 4 is isa siyang C++ engine. So, the Unreal Engine by Epic Games is an all-in-one platform for all types of visual and digital projects. It's one of the most widely used C++ engines and used primarily for video game development. So, ito po ang mga example. And Atomic Heart. At yan ang po ata yung mapapakita namin. Atomic Heart.
So,
Pero marami
ano
pa.
yung program language ng Unity is C++?
Yes, yan.
Ginagamit natin ngayon, di ba? C++, no?
So, magagamit natin ng Unreal Engine 4.
pag makabuo tayo ng laro.
Yes.
Like Unity.
Yes. Ito yung one of the... Ito yung pinakamagandang laro din na nakita ko sa buong buhay ko. Pero marami pang mga games na ginamit yung Unreal Engine 4. Ito lang yung isang example na papakita namin. Bale yan, Atomic Heart. Okay. Ayan na, tapos na. Number 5. Number 5 na yun.
Tapos na? Ano?
Number 5. Ay, number 5.
Emerging trends.
Emerging trends in game developments. So,
Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, and machine learning and transforming game development and player experience. Developers are utilizing AI to create smarter non-player character, NPCs, enhance game environments, and personalized gameplay.
okay, so, ako mag-explain.
Sige.
Kasi may alam ako dito na laro. So, ito yung, may isa ko nakitang laro na yung player, may kausap siya na AI. Bakit? Bale, wait lang. Ito.
Don't do that.
Where are you
What are
going?
you doing that for? Keep your hands to yourself.
Dipshit!
Ay.
Gandalf the Grey, a truly
Yan.
remarkable
Okay,
character.
yan.
Definitely.
While I'm not directly affiliated with the Sandin, I must admit that I've always admired Gandalf's power and wisdom. He is indeed a source of inspiration for many mages, including myself. Is there something specific you'd like to discuss about Gandalf?
Yes, this is basically a theoretical question. Would you consider yourself a better wizard than Gandalf? Just answer me with yes or no, please.
Oh, my friend, I appreciate your curiosity, but it wouldn't be right for me to compare myself to such a legendary figure.
True.
So, yun yung one of the example na AI or artificial intelligence na NPC or non-player characters. So, the next one.
Some of the trends and innovations driving the future of game engines include cloud-based solutions, AI-powered capabilities, and VR, AR, MR. What is the meaning of that?
Search natin mo ba?
Okay. Technologies, cloud-based game engines such as Amazon, Lumberyard, Play Canvas, and Stadia allow for remote access and collaborations.
So, dun sa may-
sila.
Doon muna tayo sa may cloud-based game, cloud-based solutions na
Sige.
game. So, baga sa cellphone, pwede mong laruin yung kunwari Genshin Impact sa cellphone mo. Pero yung hindi siya yung magko-consume ng RAM. So, kayang-kaya kahit yung cellphone na ito, kaya niya yun.
Like, hindi siya gumagastos, hindi niya nagko-consume ng ano mo? Storage mo?
Hindi. Pero ang downside doon kasi is kailangan malakas yung internet.
Hindi siya kasi ano naman.
Kasi cloud show, parang nakikilaro ka lang, parang yung PC nung kapitbahay mo, doon ka naglalaro, pero nandun ka nasa kunyari, ibang lugar,
Ibang
ganun.
lugar. So, kailangan ng malakas na internet.
Oo, internet. At kailangan din malakas yung internet nung pinaglalaroan mo para
Para balance.
Kumbaga.
Ano pala yun?
Yun lang. So, ang AR technology pala is a technology that overlays digital content on the top of the real world. Alam mo yung cellphone mo, tapos video, parang yung Pokemon Go. Alam mo yan? Hindi mo alam yun eh.
Alam ko yun, yung naghahanap ka ng
Oo, tapos pag i-ano mo, gagalaw mo yung camera mo, may makikita kang Pokemon sa sa daan,
nag-iiba yung ano mo.
Hindi mo nag-iba. Parang makikita mo siya nandun, pero pag titignan mo
Wala.
sa totoong buhay, wala siya. Pero pag cellphone,
Yeah.
meron. So, yun yung AR pala. Nakalimutan ko yan eh.
VR.
VR naman, yun yung gagamit ka ng headset. Yung pina-explain natin kanina, virtual reality.
Yes. Yun na. Explain na yun.
Immerses the user in a virtual environment to create believable
Capture the
experience. Yes. Whether they immerse the user in a real-life situation or a creative imaginary experience. Yung MR naman brings the best of both AR and VR. Parang yung
Recording na yun, nakikita yung pati yan.
yan, parang yung sa Facebook yung headset na ba nila. So yung MR is yung parang Quest Pro.
It's the best both AR and VR. By capturing the...
Kasi yung AR naman, pag igagalaw mo yung...
Ay, nag-collab na sila.
Hindi naman parang nag-collab, pero hindi talaga nag-collab. Parang pinag-join lang.
Collab nga.
Oo, collab. Right, pala. Kaya parang, yung... Nasa yung naka-VR headset ka, kita mo pa rin yung real world. Pero may mga objects na nakikita mo lang sa
Virtual reality.
na AR na parang object lang na nandyan pero wala talaga sa totoong buhay. Okay, so XR refers to all the above and Metaverse refers to the ecosystem revolving around XR. Think of a 3D internet that you could access from anywhere through a laptop, smartphone, and set to meet with friends, work out, play, and work. VR chat!
VR chat?
Yes. Ano yan? Hindi. Kasi parang yung VR chat parang may world doon or maraming words na pwede kang makipag-usap, yung mga kausap mo taga Japan, may iba taga Pilipinas din, ganun. Pero naka VR headset sila. Pero parang ganun yun.
Ano sila?
Naka-headset sila. Na nakakausap mo yung mga tao sa
pwede silang mag-join sa isang world na pag nag-join ka, which is pwede mo ma-communicate yung mga other player na nag-join din sa world. Pwede mo silang makausap.
Kunyari yung world mo yung sa Pilipinas, o may mga
so,
nag-join.
Pag nag-join yung friend mo doon, pwede kayong mag-communicate each other.
Kahit na malayo kayo. Parang parang video call pero hindi totoong buhay. So, yun yung XR pala.
So, yun na. That's all.
Access anywhere through a laptop or smartphone or headset to meet with friends, work out, play, and work.
Diba?
So, yun lang po yung report natin. Report namin for this video. So, I am Jaramillo.
And I am Jaramillo Cayanan.
And this is
our
game
development overview. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.